How to fix Ethernet connection on Windows 11. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First, right click on the start icon at bottom left corner. Open Settings. Once in Settings, click on Network and Internet. Scroll down. Now click on Advanced Network Settings option. Scroll down and you need to search for Network Resets. Open it. Now click on Reset Now button and here click on Yes button if you are sure that you want to reset your network settings. For now, let us not do that. If you wish, you can easily click on Yes button and reset your network. Now, once done, you can close the window. After that, click on the search bar at bottom left corner and type in Device Manager. Once you find it, click on Open. Now here you need to search for the display adapters option or the network adapters. Simply double click to expand it. Now from this section you simply need to choose your right network adapter. Right click on it and select properties option. A new window will appear on your screen where you need to simply click on the driver tab. And from this section you need to click on update driver, which will update the driver for this device. Again, a new window will appear where you need to search automatically for drivers. And again, click on search for updated drivers on Windows Updates. And we can see that updates are available to download. So you can click on download and install all button. After that, you can simply close this windows. And if you wish to update your driver, you can simply go ahead and click on browse my computer for drivers to browse or update it manually. So you can follow the on screen instruction and click next when you are done. After that, you simply need to right click on the taskbar at bottom right corner on the screen. And now you need to choose or select Task Manager and a new window pop-ups on your screen. Where in the Task Manager window, you need to click on Run New Task. And a Create New Task window will appear on your screen, where you simply need to click on the Browse button at bottom right corner of your screen. And now, once the new windows appear, you have to select this PC. Then open the C drive. And here you need to find the Windows folder. Once you find it, you simply need to click on it to open it. Now you need to open the System32 folder. And now click on Open again. And after that, you need to simply find cmd.exe. You can even use the search bar if you don't find them manually. Or what you can do is simply you can use the so in case if you find the cmd.exe, you need to select it and click open and check for create this task with administrative privileges box and click on OK button. Once you have followed this step, you need to restart the system. So after that, your issue will be fixed. So I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.